Kaya na po dito eh, simulan. Davao City, may big dome na pala, Iron Dome ng Israel. Anong dome ba yan? Avoid this power company. Okay, hindi pa tayo dito sa Davao Coast. Yun, Island Garden City of Sama. Talikod Island. Wow, sunrise. Yun naman ang island ng Punta Dumalaki.
At the station.
Yan, Punta Dumalaki dito. Uy, binahe ko yan, binangga ko yan. Galing. Galing ko pala, no? Oh, yan, tulay. Coastal Road. Diba? Ang ganda tignan, no? Oh, mahaba-haba. Ang papa. Tolong 7.3 kilometers haba. So yun na yung ano, roundabout. Yun, yan yung roundabout na junction 1 my time speech area. Ito na si SM Hotel 101 by Injapsia Double Dragon Corporation Collaboration. Toilet Drive. Sa Toilet Drive, oh. So, hindi pa natin makikita yung ano na si SM kanyang expansion. Davao River, malaki ang tubig. Yung Skyline of Davao. Hello Davao, I miss you. grabe talaga si Davao. Dami ng mga basado. Yan, Abrisa. Yung pala itsura ni Abrisa dito. Nice. Ang galing. Apat na high-rise building. Dito may kita natin si Lanang Premier, tsaka soon to rise si Davao Park District, no? Ayos, ganda lang natin pagkakaupo, perfect na natin settings. Skyline of Davao. Wow, ganda ni Davao. Kasi naman si Aswila po. Alright. Tapos, no? Ganda si Tanit ba? Skyline, I mean.
Hello everyone, SEPCO welcomes you to Davao International Airport. Time check for your convenience, it is now 19 minutes past the hour of 6 in the morning. On behalf of the entire SEPCO team headed by our flight tech crew, Captain Uy and First Officer Alex, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making SEPCO a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying SEPCO. And for your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight.
Sa mga kumukuha pa ng aking mga
and due to the aircraft weight and balance restrictions, guests are requested to deplane by rows. As soon as the passenger door has opened, we shall be deplaning 2 rows at a time, starting from the back. On the ground, we advise our passengers to stay clear of the wings, propellers, and engines. And for sanitation purposes, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose this in the bin that will be provided near the exit. We seek your cooperation and ensure that no trash is left behind the aircraft. And for our guests with infant, the infant life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant life vest inside the seat pocket, and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. And as a last safety precaution, please remain seated.
Doors will be open.
Sa mga kumukuha ng screenshot sa aking mga video, Skyline of Davao or kung saan man Skyline, pakisali naman yung salamat, maliban sa credit, pakisali naman YouTube channel, from YouTube channel of Galata Explorer, ganun ha, para mapanood nila yung video, kasi iba yung picture sa video talaga.